Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wisdom IQ. In this video, I will discuss about the classical dances of India. Questions from this topic are asked in various competitive government exams, so it becomes quite important to know about this topic. Let's start. Here you can see I have marked all the classical dances of India on this map. If you study through this map, things will get into your subconscious mind and you will be able to remember the things for much longer time. So you can see here Kathak dance is performed in Uttar Pradesh, and in Assam you have Satriya dance. In Manipur you have Manipuri dance. In Odisha you have Odissi dance. In Andhra Pradesh Kuchipudi dance is performed. In Tamil Nadu Bharatnatyam dance is performed, and in Kerala you have two dances which are Mohiniyattam and Kathakali. So if you learn through this map, this will help you a lot. The very first book which gives information about dance is the book which is written by Bharat Muni, and the name of the book is Natya Shastra. So Natya Shastra is a very important book which gives account of dance in India. And according to Sangeet Natak Academy, there are 8 classical dances in India. Sangeet Natak Academy is the academy which on the behalf of government decides whether which particular dance is to be added in the category of classical dance, and which particular dancer is to be awarded with a particular award. So all these things are decided by Sangeet Natak Academy on the behalf of government, and according to them there are 8 classical dances of India: Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Odissi and Satriya. So Bharatnatyam dance is performed in Tamil Nadu. Here you can see the dancers performing the Bharatnatyam dance. And Bharatnatyam dance is the oldest classical dance of India, and it is believed that Bharatnatyam dance was revealed by Lord Brahma himself to Bharat Muni. And Bharatnatyam also finds its mention in Natya Shastra book, which is written by Bharat Muni. And the theme of Bharatnatyam is devotional and religious, and the dance represents the life of Lord Rama, Lord Shiva, and Lord Vishnu. At first, this dance was performed only in Hindu temples of Tamil Nadu, but eventually it flourished in South India. And in Bharatnatyam, the word Bha means Bhav, which means expression. Ra means Rag, which means music. Ta means Tal, which means beat or rhythm. And Natyam means dance in Tamil. So, Bharatnatyam. And the important Bharatnatyam dancers are Mallika Sarabai, Rukmini Devi, Yamini Krishnamurthy, E. Krishna Iyer, and Mrinalini Sarabai. The second classical dance is Kathak. Kathak is mainly performed in North India, and it is performed in Uttar Pradesh. So here you can see the dancers performing the Kathak dance. The name Kathak is derived from the Sanskrit word Katha, which means story, and Kathak means to tell a story. And the theme of Kathak is based on the divine life of Lord Krishna and his lover Radha and the other gopis, that is other milkmaids. And the main gharanas or schools of Kathak are Lucknow Gharana, Jaipur Gharana and Banaras Gharana. And the important Kathak dancers are Lachu Maharaj, Shovna Narayan, Sitara Devi and Birju Maharaj. Kathakali dance. Kathakali dance is performed in Kerala. So it is a very famous dance. You all must have seen this dance get up. Uh, in Kathakali, the dancers they perform the roles of kings, gods, and demons from the Hindu mythological epics, especially from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. And in Kathakali, the dancer never speaks; rather, he speaks with his hands. All his expression is done. All his talking is done through his hands, and the different facial colors indicate the different mental stages of the dancer. For example, green denotes the godliness, white denotes spirituality, and red denotes evil character. And the important Kathakali dancers are Raman Kutti Nayar, Kala Mandalam Gopi, Guru Gopinath, and Kottakkal Sivaraman. Kuchipudi dance. Kuchipudi dance is performed in Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see the dancers performing the Kuchipudi dance. This dancer is keeping a pot on her head, and there is a brass plate under her feet. Kuchipudi style was started by Siddhendra Yogi. He was a Vaishnava poet, and the theme of Kuchipudi is Bhagavad Puran, especially life of Krishna. And prominent Kuchipudi dancers are Raja Reddy, Radha Reddy, Sonal Mansingh, Yamini Krishnamurthy, and Indrani Rahman. Manipuri dance. Manipuri dance, as the name suggests, it is performed in Manipur. So here you can see the dancers. They are performing the Manipuri dance, and the feet of the dancers are barely visible. The central theme of Manipuri dance is the Ras Leela of Radha and Krishna, and Manipuri dance involves gentle hand and feet movements. Uh, and the important Manipuri dancers are Guru Naba Kumar, Guru Bipin Singh, and the Javeri sisters, Naina, Ranjana, Suverna, and Darshana. Four Javeri sisters, they are very famous for the Manipuri dance. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is performed in Kerala. So basically, Mohiniyattam is made up of the word Mohini, which means a woman who enchants the onlookers, and Attam means graceful and sensuous body movements. So basically, in this dance, the dancer uh, tries to seduce the onlooker, and Mohini is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, he disguised himself as Mohini to deviate the attention of the demons, so that they may not drink Amrit or the nectar of immortality during Samudra Manthan. And second time he disguised himself as Mohini to trick demon Bhasmasur to save Lord Shiva. There is a very famous legend about Bhasmasur. Bhasmasur, he was granted the power to burn up anyone he touches with his hand. So he tried to burn Lord Shiva. So at that time, Lord Vishnu, he disguised himself as Mohini and tricked Bhasmasur and killed him. The word Mohiniyattam literally means dance of the enchantress. So here in this dance, more emphasis is on the facial expression and hand gestures, and it is traditionally performed only by women. The important dancers of Mohiniyattam dance are Sunanda Nair, Pallavi Krishnan, Kalamandalam Sugandhi, Kalamandalam Keshamati. Odissi dance, as the name suggests, is performed in Odisha, and the theme of Odissi dance is devotion to Lord Krishna. And this dance is based on the religious text Gita Govinda. Gita Govinda book is written by Jayadev, and this book describes the relationship between Krishna and the other gopis of Vrindavan, especially one gopi named Radha. And in this dance, facial expression, hand gestures, and body movements they are used to suggest a certain feeling and emotion. And the important Odissi dancers are Sonal Mansingh, uh, Kelu Charan Mohapatra, Minati Mishra, Guru Pankaj Charan Das. Satriya dance. Satriya dance is performed in Assam, and Satriya dance, it was introduced by Vaishnava saint Sankaradev in 15th century AD, and this theme of this dance is mythological stories. The dance depicts the life of Lord Krishna and Lord Rama, and the important Satriya dancers are Indira P.P. Bora, Mani Ram Datta Mokhtar, Guru Jatin Goswami, and Sharodi Sakya. So let's attempt a quiz. Which classical dance of India has originated in Tamil Nadu? So you all know Kathakali is of Kerala, Satriya is of Assam, Odissi is of Odisha. So Bharatnatyam is the dance which has originated in Tamil Nadu. Which classical dance of India originated in Uttar Pradesh? Kathak. Kathak originated in Uttar Pradesh. Which classical dance of India originated in Kerala? So you know the answer is Kathakali. This classical dance of India got its name from Kuchelapuram village of Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Kuchipudi. Manipuri dance, which originated in Manipur, is also known as Jagoi dance. This classical dance of India originated in Kerala and traditionally performed only by women. The answer is Mohiniyattam. The The classical dance of India which originated in Odisha is Odissi. Satriya is the classical dance of which state? Satriya is performed in Assam. So thank you, that's all in this video. If you want PDF of all my lectures, you can follow the Wisdom IQ channel on Telegram. Also you can follow Wisdom IQ on Instagram. The link has been provided in the description.